I received treatment and care that I could never receive at home. It just isn't part of the clinic to have such a welcoming environment. Cristal, Bennet, Seattle, Washington. I received crowns and a veneer, yes. It was really, I'm going to say humane. They have their own way of showing compassion and comfort, and it was just mind-blowing. Maybe 15 years ago, I was traumatized by a dentist in America. I really feel like when I want my teeth cleaned, I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back here, because this is the kind of care that everyone should receive. Amazing skill, the result, all of the equipment that is used is more than I ever saw in America. So it's going to change everything about me, my smile, the way I eat, and maybe even the way I sleep. Right.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you, really.
You.
Yeah, it was a life-changing experience.
I am ready to
You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
just, my heart is full.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you're very welcome. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. B1 BODC.